The next thing we're going to add is a section for our hero image. This is a big image that appears in the background with some text over top of it to really, showcase either some sort of imagery or some way to basically kind of entice the user to use the actual application itself. So first, we're going to go to our navigator panel and select body. From there, we go back to the add panel, and we're going to go ahead and add a new section. As you can see, it's included in there. Here, we'll go ahead and call this hero. So within our style panel, give it a section class called hero. And we're going to set our width to 100% and our height to 800 pixels. And as you can see, that fills pretty much the screen real estate currently. We have this, what we're going to do is add some text on top of it later, but before we do that, we're going to go ahead and add another section within the hero itself. So if we go back to our add panel and we hit section, you'll see that it populates underneath. The easiest way to include this section within the previously created hero section, go to your navigator panel and click and drag it inside, and you'll see it highlights it orange. You can drop it directly in there. So now it's nested inside of the hero itself. Within this section, what we're going to do, we're going to call this hero image, and we're going to give it a width again of 100% and a height of 800 pixels. What we want to do is we want to bring in an image. So using the background section of your style panel, go ahead and click on that first icon. If you hover over, you'll see it gives you a tooltip that says add background image. So if we click that, it opens up this overlay, and you can upload an image. Within our assets folder, again, we have this hero image.jpg. So we'll go ahead and click open. As you can see, it kind of filters in, and right now it just looks white. It's because this image is incredibly large. So what we're going to do is we're going to set the position to match the bottom of the image to the bottom of the container. And now you can see that the bottom of the image, the bottom portion, kind of lines up to the bottom here. We're going to go ahead and turn tiling off just for now, just to make sure that if the page scales, it kind of stays there. We're going to hit OK. And then we're going to go ahead and add some opacity to this image itself, just so it doesn't appear as, bright white as it currently does. So you can go down to the effects and change this to say 50%. If we move it up, let's go ahead and do like 70%, and that should work pretty fine.